guys, welcome back to BA Performance.
What's up?
Today we're working on Matt's new car.
So yeah, I got a 2016 Mazda Miata, and we're gonna put the LED bar or strip that goes right under the trunk here to kind of connects the taillights together. And this is from MX5Things. You can buy it right on their website, MX5Things.com. I believe it was $69. And it's pretty simple. It's all plug and play. So what we're gonna do to start off here is we're gonna actually try and pull out a couple of these plugs here. So once we start running wires, we can run them right through here. And then also, I don't have a light on me, but we're gonna have to remove this inner panel here to get access to the actual rear tail light. So start by finding tools. That helps.
Good luck.
Okay, so I'm going to start by taking some of these plastic anchors out here. I'm actually able to get my fingernail like right around it. Pop it up. Put that over here where I'll lose it. And then this guy here. And this guy here. Try that. We'll pop this one out too. That should remove that entire panel there. Good. So now we have access to the taillight. What we want to run this place into is this connector right over here. So we're going to disconnect this and then start wiring, running the wiring, I think. That's disconnected.
Okay, pardon, nice and easy.
Now, let's see if we can. All right.
Do you need to do that one too?
So I don't believe so, because I think, well, maybe. We'll see if we do. I don't really want to, because that one's not easy. Might be able to run it right down around here.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know. We'll see what it looks best. All right. So we do have to take this plug out as well. So, oh, that was much easier than I thought. So, as a recap, you got to take out the plug up here in the upper left. You won't have these holes probably. The one in the bottom left, and then the one in your actual like trunk jam, I guess, or your drain area. And then you're gonna get in the packaging an alcohol prep wipe and a 3M automotive adhesion promoter. We're gonna take the alcohol prep pad, go along the inside of the trunk, and then put this, I believe it's like a primer on there. So where we're gonna be sticking the strip is gonna be along the inside of the trunk right here. If you look under here, it's kind of like a flat spot, almost perfect to stick that on. I'm not sure if you probably should wear gloves with this, but
Just gonna raw dog it?
just gonna raw dog her. Then we should be able to stick our LED light on. It's wrapped up in a nice spool here. This should be applied as so.
So the LED just kind of shines out from there, huh?
Yep,
You don't actually see the LED on the outside of the vehicle.
correct.
That'll be nice and clean looking then.
I might need your help with this one.
Okay.
Alright, so we're going to try and fish the wires down now. Yeah, not a problem. Alright, now we can run it through here. Okay, so once you get the wire completely ran where you want it, our LED strip here is not exactly on perfect, especially over here. We have our splitter, and in the packaging here you get a connector to attach your wires to. You put your wires in there, and then a few small zip ties. You need to zip tie your wires back there to clean it up. So let's see here. Just follow your wiring colors here. You see you got red and black on the strip itself. You got a red and black on the strip itself and a red and black for the pins. Just make sure you're looking at how your connector goes in. Goes in this way. So we want our wires to align with that. Red on my left, black on my right. There's one. There's two. Now you can connect this wire. Now it's a matter of splicing in. So this female end is going into the existing. I'm sorry, this male end goes into the female end over here, and then you splice in by putting this new female here onto this male. Or yeah. Now, in theory, we should have an LED bar first.
See if we can make it stick a little better. Right on the end there, it doesn't want to stick.
Much more gooder.
There we go. Beer can. Oh, dude.
Look at that.
That is the sickness right there.
That is so cool.
I was a little worried with it like tucked in the trunk how it would look, but that looks really cool.
Anyways, so next thing you're gonna basically do is you're gonna go ahead. See, look, it even doubles lighting for your trunk.
Yeah, mood lighting
Now
for the trunk.
let's go ahead and reinstall your pieces, your plugs. You should be able to plug them back in with the wires still there. And boom bang pow, you now got an LED light from MX5Things on your trunk. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, hit the little notification bell, and as always, peace out. Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.